how I'm using this book this year to create my DIY project for my wife for Valentine's Day on today's Think Share. Hello and welcome to Think Share. My name's Zach. I'm here to bring to you what I'm thinking about, sharing about, talking about, listening to, reading about that doesn't belong in math class. If you're new to the channel, I invite you to subscribe. So this year in Valentine's Day, before Valentine's Day, I was thinking about what I wanted to make for my wife. One of the agreements that the two of us made is that every year we're going to make something for each other for Valentine's Day. Rather than buying something, chocolates, movies, whatever, we have to create something. Obviously, the first place I went is Pinterest. Went over to Pinterest and was looking for just good Valentine's Day gifts. And one of the things I stumbled on was this picture here. You can see here they folded a book so that it reads something on the side. One of the things I love doing is origami. So last year I got her, I created a bouquet of roses out of flowers. I wish I had taken pictures of it. I also made her this origami magic box. So this year, what I wanted to do was try to one-up myself, which is probably going to be challenging from year to year, but I asked myself first off, what's a book that kind of represents us in our future that I'm going to want sitting on the wall for a while? And one of the books I came across was The 4-Hour Work Week, which I just bought a new copy. I think we already have 2 or 3 copies in the house, and I have it on Audible too. So this book is sort of, the main idea of it is that you're eventually working because you want to, not because you have to. And that was one of the ideas that Alyssa really introduced me to when I first met her and when I first really started falling in love with her. So what I'm going to be doing is folding this into the pages, having it so that when you look at it from this side, it'll look like a 3-dimensional Z and A. So I got some work to do. Both her and I are pretty busy people. She's feeling kind of sick right now. So actually, we're going to be having our Valentine's Day date on Friday, and I look forward to, hopefully she lets me record her reaction to it. And I'd love that to share that with you all, but I don't know if she'll let me do that. So stick around for the final completed project. That's all for today. For all the romantics out there, what are you getting your partner or somebody special to you on Valentine's Day? What are you making that would be a great idea for me to do in the future? Because I'm gonna have a hard time one-upping myself, I think. If you like this, give it a like. I wanna see if we can get 10 likes on this video. If you want more, I invite you to subscribe, hit the bell if you want notifications every day coming up with something new. Thank you for watching. Stay weird, humans.